Welcome to Project 754, Introduction to Web Development. Introduction to Static Website. A static website has fixed content. It does not require programming languages to build one. It is the easiest form of website to create. Static websites are built of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Introduction to Dynamic Websites. A dynamic website contains information and content that changes, depending on factors such as the viewer of the site, the time of the day, the time zone, or the native language of the country, the viewer. Difference between static website and dynamic website. Static website. Content is fixed and each page is coded in plain HTML and CSS. Dynamic website. Content is dynamic, which changes according to users' preferences. Static website. Displays the same design and content to every user who visits the website. Dynamic website. Offers a unique mix of dynamic content, multimedia elements, and interactive features. Static website. Updates can be tedious and prone to errors. Dynamic website. Design updates can be much simpler. Static website. More control and flexibility as each page design is unique. Dynamic website. User has complete control over updating the design and changing the content. Static website. Plain HTML is required to create static pages. Dynamic website. PHP, JavaScript, ASP, and JSP can be used to create dynamic pages.